Okay, this is Monday. We only got about 14 minutes, but I'm gonna, Microsoft is people have been talking about Microsoft, and Microsoft is gonna have earnings tomorrow after it closes. So since my friend Tesla is still working its way through, it's doing good today. It's working its way back up. It dropped as far down as $2.55, and they got dropped even more in terms of the analysts has dropped their rating down even lower, but they are going up. So it don't make sense. But I want to look at Microsoft today. We're gonna see what Microsoft is about. Let's look at Microsoft. We're gonna share our screen because we ain't got that long. We're gonna share our screen and we're gonna look at our tool real quick. And look at Microsoft. Microsoft is earnings ratio is 37 times is below the software industry average. I don't know what that means. He said earnings are forecast to grow 12% a year. So I picked them about 40 in all. I think about 40 total over my spread from margins all the way down because I took some of the ones who was losing and I start pumping up Microsoft. Microsoft, they got the market. They cornered the market. You talking about why don't these folks do them and break them up? But they won't. Microsoft is, I mean, they got AI now, and it's like I say, it's 343, 344 now. They had a value. So let's look at Microsoft. Okay, look at Microsoft. Microsoft is going in the right trend. Look at them. They go down, then they go up. Okay, they and they drop down. Okay, that's where they are right now today. Um, they got this little company back in deadline is October to get this thing on board. They are fighting the government trying to make sure that they get this piece. You know, you can read it at your leisure. They're going to announce the plan to acquire this thing for $95 per share in all out cash and all this other good stuff, and we have to pay more for something if you want this piece. Okay. So Microsoft is all, like I say, they down a little bit the last 7 days, but overall for the year they up about 32%. And Microsoft hasn't made me that much, or if they made me anything. But I want to show you where they are. Microsoft, the Oracle is on top, but Microsoft is right behind Oracle. Then you got metadata platform, Apple, and then Alphabet, Google. Price to earnings is in the red. They overvalue. They say they're supposed to be like 307. So, let's see what they do tomorrow. They're going to have to reevaluate Microsoft because Microsoft should be, you think they should be the premier, because everybody have them. Nobody wants anything else but these guys. They got government as well as private sector. They got home computers. That's the company in this industry. Growth forecast. Industry is, but Microsoft's got some competition out there. So let's see what they do tomorrow. Even if they go below, I just lose some money. But you can't lose. They're gonna go up. They're gonna go up. The company is earnings to growth analyst pass earnings to growth. The company is growing, and they like I said, financial health. You would think anything else, but like I say, they cornered the market. Short term, long term, they all greens, and everywhere you go. Microsoft debt is well covered over cash flow of 173%. Dividends, they don't give, they give very little. So that's why they can keep going what they're doing. Management, let's see the management staff. The CEO is this guy right here. He only make up $54 million. He's just 10 years, 9 years. So he make 54 million of our money. But he owns a lot of shares. Okay, experience management, they got them. People been selling. Okay. Because you were $200, now you $353 a share. Institute, general public, state, local, private. You can name what you name. These are the guys who own everything. Look at Vanguard. These are billions, folks. 222 billion. This guy right here, the bank This guy right here, assets, they got 1.2 trillion. Whoever these guys are. This is a bank. That's why BlackRock owns 180 billion of your money. These are billions, folks. Okay, so I just got a little bit. They want a little bit of pie. Let's see. They might take what little I have, but I got confidence that Microsoft is going to meet tomorrow. But Wednesday is a different show. We'll see. But that's crazy. 3 trillion shares. They own 3 trillion shares at 1.2 value, at current value. These is the values. These are how many shares BlackRock and Vanguard. They're gonna be up there. State Street, Capital One. Look at that. Capital, Morgan Stanley, Teachers Union, Insurance Union, Legal, General. Look at Charles Schwab, Massachusetts, Bill. Look at Gates. They own 39 million shares at 13.5 billion, and they're a philanthropist, so they give it away. Okay. I just want to show you that now. Let's get back. I have 7 minutes. Let me reshare. Okay. We'll do a new share. Let's see what's happening out here. Let's see if Microsoft's trying to do anything. Okay, we're going to start off with margin count. You see I shrunk it a little bit. I got all the little ones off. I get the little ones some other. I can put them on my personal side. But these are mostly, all these are the big boys, I believe. Even this one. I still got, TTO. This is I got 10,000 shares of this thing. I had 90, but I'm using my money elsewhere. I'm waiting. Okay, I made a mistake. These guys just put it into FDA for emergency approval, and they approved it as being. They received it and they approved it. They could have rejected it, but they didn't. They approved it, so it hasn't been approved yet. They approved it to come in, so they look at it. But once this thing is approved, I'll tell you, this thing gonna fly. Got a low float. We'll see what happens. Okay, TTO. That's why I'm keeping 10,000. I got there. I sold out. I sold 80,000. So I put it up here and bought some Microsoft for tomorrow. I got 30 of Microsoft. See, I still got 20. I'm still playing around with it. Let's see what happens tomorrow. You still got AT&T. You got Apple. Microsoft is doing what it's do. Go up and down. I told you until they do something. You got Ford, Microsoft. It's making me, they haven't made me no money because they got 345, they 344. SAVA is not doing anything right now, but I'm still gonna keep my seed in the ground on them. I can sell out real quick and come back in. I can sell it like I do here. Sell. Okay. And then I just buy it. SAVA is gonna lose it, but they're gonna make me some money before it's over. But that's why I'm keeping my seed in the ground on them, buying them again. They say, Darnell, don't do that. Don't you just let them? No. I'm gonna get as low a stake as I can. So when this thing fly, it's gonna fly. Amazon, the same. It's 128. Okay, I'm going out. Sell to 10. Because Amazon, you got to wait till these guys do something. These guys are. You would think they would, but Amazon, you just don't want to keep going there. I'll probably go back in and buy it high again. You know, you know. I love Amazon, but Amazon, you gotta know what to do with it. Okay, I'm gonna buy 20 because I like them at that price. I liked them earlier, but I got 20 of them now. Okay. Let's see what they do. Hopefully they go up to 30, 40, 40, 140. I think they got earnings in August. These all got earnings. Microsoft got it closed tomorrow, confirmed. These guys, confirmed on, on the 27th. All this week you got earnings. And then T-Mobile, AT&T. Come on. Wednesday earnings. They confirmed on 26th. That's on Wednesday before market open. Right now, they've been making me a little money. They're going up. I got 300 of them. So this is why it's keeping me in the game right now. Okay, the personal, real quick. I got about 3 minutes. Personal, you can see Amazon. I got them over here, but Amazon is still, they hovering. I leave them alone on this. They lose it. This guy's right here has been doing pretty good today, but tomorrow is another day. I kept these guys because I still got them at 131. It's 147. I got these guys at 75. So you can see I'm doing pretty good, except for Apple. Apple, I say I could put Tesla over. Did I put Tesla? I didn't put Tesla over. I put TTOO. I got them at 6 cents. Right now they're at 9 cents. So they still, but over here, I took them out of this one right here. And I just got 10,000 on the other end at 9 cents. But this is what you got. I took this one down so I can get more NVIDIA. I got 12 of NVIDIA, and I got 24 of Microsoft. So let's see what happens. Okay. These are the ones I'm waiting on. These guys, they went back down 1 and 2, but I'm keep my seat in the ground on these teams. I got 1 million shares. This guy's starting to do something. This is why I kept this one, because this one is AI, and this one is, I don't know. This one it's a small volume, but this one, when this one fly, it's gonna fly. I got a small float. This is all-timers, so I don't know how long I'll keep that one. I might, because this one, they go back and forth. This one I kept 174 now. I might, by the end of the week, sell out of that one. But I got this one is at, they bought it like $8 or $9 a share that people came in. This was 32 at one point a few months ago. But they're trying to stay afloat. This one is the hydrogen one. This is the one got some information with Plug. They're partnering, but you see they're not doing. I got it at 22. It's still 28. This index, Luma, Microsoft, NVIDIA, I got 12 because you can't beat these guys. Space, I still got to hold on to that one. Tesla, I'm holding on to that one. Like I said, they knocked them down. They started with 259. I got them now at 100 at 20 at 269. So they the winner pretty much of the day. Yeah, everything's closed now. This one is still my, so we're gonna look at all of them and see what we're doing. And then we're gonna get out of here. So, it's not bad, still I had at 68. I still lost I'm still trying to make up that $5,000 I lost last week. But then you got the Fed gonna talk this week, so he might even drop it down. I got about $6,000 to $8,000 of my money in here. So you take it off the top. It's really about I only made something like, like say they saying 7 because I'm in that margin account. It's like a giant credit card. They taking the 8% off the top. So, but right now I'm okay. Year to game because I've been going back and forth, taking out my little losses and just leave them alone. But I let them do what they do. But this thing, remember I had it at one point about 18,000. Now down to 7. But that's all right. We still gonna play this game. So let me stop sharing. God bless you. God keep you. God cause faith to shine. Y'all stop licking your tongue. I'm not a financial advisor, but I love playing this little game. You just got to get the right mix, and one of these things is going to take off. And when they do, I told one guy, I'm going to take. I'm going to do the consulting like I normally do. I'm going in. I think God has set me up for ministry anyway. God bless you. God keep you. God cause his face to shine on you. I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.